Welcome back. In this video, we're going to go over multi-currency subscription plans. All right, I'm currently in the subscription management tab in the Inhouz Cloud console. I'm going to be focusing our attention to our support auth service. It's an external service deployed to the production environment. All right, so let's jump into the service and let's go to the plans. And I have a plan already set up here called base. All right, right away, you're going to see that we do have it. This is a paid plan that is recurring and it's billed per user. We have a pricing term of 1 month, so this renews every month. As you can see here, we have, the price rates per currency, and we've already configured multiple currencies. So to add a currency, all we need to do is just click on Add Currency Rates, select the currency, and put our price. In this case, we've added some Tongan Paanga. This is just very random. But before now, I had configured our pricing for US dollars and British pounds. And right here, our primary currency is US dollars, which means that when a user tries to sign up to this service or to this plan, the default pricing will be based on US dollars. I also have a one-time setup fee, and as well, the same thing applies. So one thing to note that if you have a multi-currency setup and you do have a one-time setup fee, all the currencies presented in your base pricing should also be in the setup fee pricing as well. Because if a user were to say select US dollars and there is no one-time setup fee in US dollars, then the user will not be charged a one-time setup fee. All right, so now what does this look like in our sign up page? If I jump over here, I already have a filled up sign up page. We are in the last page, which is the checkout. And I can see that I can toggle between different currencies because we are indeed in a multi-currency setup. All right, so that's pretty much it. And when we switch from one currency to the other, our pricing is changed based on our plan configuration. All right, that's it for this video. See you in the next one.